Well, the folks at John Deere have a very interesting program that will take and oversee what your equipment is doing. And with me is Tom Trone. Hi, Tom. How are you?
Very good, Roger.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Tom is a part of John Deere Worksite. And Tom, give me an idea of exactly what this is designed to do.
Worksite is a portfolio of solutions that enables our dealers and customers to monitor the performance and health of their equipment remotely or on the machine.
I understand it's part of the JD Link program.
JD Link is one of the solutions that we have. It's telematics that it enables us to locate where a machine is, connect to a machine, diagnose a machine problem if it has one, and to monitor the performance of the operator and the equipment.
Oh, the operator as well can be monitored. So let's say a contractor wants to find out what a guy's doing and how often he's performing and what his performance is on a job, and all this brings it into kind of a one system.
One dashboard. So information from the machine, information about the operator, how they use fuel, idle time on the machine, the performance, are they using the right gears, do they have the right experience to do the job? All of that is known by the information that's gathered.
Tom, what about maintenance and that avenue of equipment, which we all know is very important?
With the connection to the machine with telematics, there's a wireless ability to diagnose a machine if it has a problem,
Sure.
to identify what that problem is. So a technician can evaluate the root cause of a problem before they go visit a machine. And the ability to update that machine, a lot of the technology on machines today is software.
Exactly.
We can monitor software, identify if there's a problem with software, and update it remotely without ever having to go to the machine.
That's an interesting concept, isn't it? The way things are challenging and changing so rapidly across the board, it's really stunning to me. I know we're probably in about the same bracket where we never thought we'd be carrying phones in our pocket, but here we are, we're doing that. But I wanted to know one thing as far as dealer, customer, contractor, whatever, what kind of controls are there? What can the contractor call the shots basically and say, I'd like this and this, but not that? And is that part of the system, or?
One important point is that customers own the data. So data is being captured from the machine performance and machine health.
Right.
The customer owns it,
Right.
and then they grant access to a dealer or to John Deere. And then our role is to help them with that information to optimize the performance of the machine or the operator, or to support the machine better.
So the machine can exactly talk to, let's say, talk to the dealer, and the dealer can say, oh, gee, we have this code, that code, and then send it off to his tech or whatever, or the tech to the dealer and say, well, we need to order these parts for this machine, and that's the way it goes.
And also, John Deere engineers in our factories can see the same data
Really?
if the customer allows. So the engineer can look at performance of the machine. They actually use the data to improve designs of machines. And our factories can go out and link to a machine and see what problems it's having directly.
Interesting world that we're living in these days, isn't it?
Changing, as you said, very, very rapidly.
Very, very rapidly, and it's all telematics and digital and everything else under this so-called umbrella of systems. Well, Tom, I want to thank you very much for taking the time off of a busy schedule here at the John Deere exhibit at ConExpo 2014, and the worksite operation that John Deere has for customers and dealers to keep them linked together and have a good operational overall operational capacity. So thanks a lot. Appreciate talking to you.
Have a good show.
Thank you.